Hey everybody, welcome to my neighborhood in Mexico, my temporary neighborhood. Look at all the cats. There's lots of cats. I'm not playing a soundtrack. That's actual music being blared by our neighbor. This happens pretty much every day for about at least 3 hours. Last night she did it at 8 o'clock and it went to like 11 o'clock at this sound level. But you can see she's doing her laundry. This is her house. It's gorgeous. There's a lot of interesting painting choices going on around here. This house is purple and blue, but they didn't really put down a straight line. It just, it's like, okay, that's good enough. Then this house over here, it's blue, but I guess they ran out of paint rollers. See this cute little dog? He looks crazy. Most of the houses when this neighborhood was built, these townhomes, they were all built, they were all white, they all looked the same. They didn't have any additions on them, and then when you buy that property, basically you can do anything you want to it. And let me tell you, everybody does. I mean, some of them look really nice. Like this one looks really nice. And then some of them just don't. And since we live in a crime neighborhood, everyone that can afford it has a fence, and they park their car behind the fence. Now this house, it needs a paint job, but it looks pretty damn fancy for this neighborhood. And you can see right there, just on the other side of this neighborhood is a really fancy neighborhood that has like swimming pools, and it's really nice. There's some chickens. So yeah, I love all the plants. Like, look at these plants. They're just growing right out of the ground. Like this one, I know I've seen it IKEA and the Home Depot. I know we sell that. So cool. Hey kitty. But you can see it's not the nicest part of town, but I think it's a step up from the shanty town that I saw on the edge of town. So, I mean, yeah, there's some very questionable. Look at this dog, he's in a t-shirt. He always barks. There's a park right here. It has the basketball court. Yeah, this is the neighborhood. My favorite house in the whole neighborhood is coming up. It's this yellow house. I mean, it looks like a Mexican hacienda. It's got some really cool plants out front. I love the wood beams, the thatch roof. It's really nice. I mean, I've walked this neighborhood almost every day, and I've only encountered really nice people. Unfortunately, I don't speak any Spanish, and when somebody speaks Spanish to me, I freeze, so they probably think I'm slow. But it is true, like, Mexico's all about community, and all the neighbors hang out. Seems like everyone's hustling in Mexico. There's a lot of people that have at-home businesses. For the most part, I like this neighborhood. Look, there's some guinea pigs or rabbits. I don't know what those are. This is the main thoroughfare in our neighborhood, Las Palmas. Colectivo, those are like little buses that you can take. They're like community buses. I don't personally see myself riding in one, but you never know. Now, I would like to ride in that one. Let's see. There's a lot of trash on the street. Someone lost their dog. This is my street from the entrance. Both sides of the street have businesses. A Mexican staple is this building right here. It's all over Mexico. It's called OXXO, OXO. I mean, it's basically, like a 7-Eleven. I think you can like pay your bills there. Um, I mean, and they have, you know, snacks and things. I've never walked down this street before. Maybe we'll turn around. There's a lot of people out and about. I gotta take you and show you this crosswalk.